I was able to walk both up and down the steps with just working on the machine one time. That to me was just simply amazing.
My favorite would probably be the fact that you can run on there, because that was one of my main goals coming into therapy, was to be able to run again. So the first time I ran on there was pretty exciting.
One of my post-op ACL patients, when she finally got to run, we weren't quite ready for the treadmill, but the Sproing allowed her to start running. The look of joy on her face, you know, she kind of got a little emotional. That was a really special moment.
I think it also just built my confidence back a lot, because before I used the Sproing, I didn't think I would be able to do a lot of the things that I was able to do, like jumping and stuff. So I think a lot of it was just the mental aspect too.
Our main focus was getting her knee bending and straightening better, and then getting her out of the brace by prom. Once kind of that happened, once that first hurdle happened, it widened for us. So once she was able to start walking at a higher speed and eventually running, we used the Sproing before we did anything else.
It's like a treadmill, but better, and with the ability to do a whole lot more. It's a great tool in that, you know, we can get a lot closer to return to play motions than you can necessarily on a treadmill, and we can do a broader variety of stuff more easily, kind of in one small setting than we would be able to. You know, we'd be bouncing from machine to machine, whereas on the Sproing, you know, you kind of do that all at once.
Accelerator was interested in the Sproing just for the versatility of the piece of equipment itself. We treat in our clinics any patients that are elderly all the way down to young athletes, whether it's sport related, balance related. So I think that's what really was marketable to us.
Well, the thing I like about the Sproing, especially if you're a mid-foot runner, it allows you to really get into that position and focus on it, and it puts less stress and impact through the joints of the body, where the treadmill is a little bit of the harder surface, and when you get that strike, it kind of aggravates your knees or hips or back, especially if someone has an injury.
The Sproing basically has two different surfaces, an air surface and the foam surface, and we can play with those to do different activities, but you're still in the comforts of, you can either use the harness and you have the two handrails, so it gives us a lot of versatility and gives us a lot of creativity that we can keep changing and challenging what we're doing with our patients.
And when you have balance issues on top of muscle issues, you're afraid that you are going to fall and you're going to pull something further. I think that's going to take a lot of the fear out of the guesswork of, should I exercise, should I not exercise, should I trust the therapist, should I not? You know, it's scary. It gets scary.
Biggest thing that I find has helped is I put the patient in the harness and have them just lean back to start. Have them realize that this system can fully support their weight. And once they feel that they can just lean back without doing an exercise and they know they're supported, they're usually good to go with all their exercises from thereafter.
It allows me to be able to step back. They're secure in that harness, so I can step away and look at how everything is lining up without feeling like I have to be there right next to them, protecting them from maybe falling.
The thing I love about Sproing is you can do really easy level stuff on there, and you could end on the Sproing and do really high level stuff on there. And you can do it, you know, in the sagittal plane, the transverse plane, everything. You can kind of just mix it up. So it's really great for the end of therapy and the beginning.
The key thing I keep hearing is that patients have fun. You know, therapy is therapy, we understand that. We do try to make it fun regardless, but I think this allows them just that little extra thing that's different than what they would do in their normal therapy anywhere else.
Not only did the Sproing help me physically, but it restored belief and confidence that this physical therapy was working and that I was going to get better.
A therapist's goal is usually to get to a patient as close to 100% as we can, but now the Sproing allows us to get them to that 100% faster. So we can secure a couple extra units, we can charge more functional, more neurological re-education stuff, whereas you kind of hit your limit with creativity with certain diagnoses and certain patient populations. This allows us to push them that much harder and be profitable in what we're doing.
It's awesome that they had the privilege to be able to use this, and it makes me feel privileged as a client to be one of the first to use it as well.
So I think it's a lot safer for the patient, really do.
It'll work a miracle. It'll work a miracle. You'll feel so much better working on the Sproing. Ooh, I just love that machine. I really do. I wish I could still come here and use it.